Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. Welcome to our fence panel painting challenge. I have 4 contestants behind me with 4 individual painting tools to tackle a 6-foot fence panel. We have Liam on a 4-inch brush. We have Jay on a hand pump action paint sprayer. We've got John on a 4-inch roller, and we've got Laura on Wagner's fence and decking sprayer. Each of the contestants have the same type of fence treatment. I've got my stopwatch. Guys, are you ready? Yeah. Okay, after 3, start painting. Okay, so everyone is off to a good start. Liam is with the brush there now, cutting in across the slats. Jay has a pump action one, and he's going in around the edges there now. And John is there on his 4-inch roller. Laura, on the other hand, has got a Wagner fence and decking sprayer and is covering quite a large area quite quickly. She is actually halfway through the paint sprayer. Very good, coming back over to this side. Jay is actually getting on well with his pump action sprayer, but it's looking a little bit dribbly and a little bit messy. And Liam, how are you getting on there with your brush? Is it okay?
No.
No, you're slow. No. You're missing a little bit. You've got about a quarter of it done. Let's have a look how John is now on his roller. Not bad. He's doing it quite... Laura, you're finished. Stop, turn it off, turn it off. Wow, Laura, 1 minute 15 seconds she has completed the fence panel. How was it?
Well, I'm really pleased, but I think if I limbered up, I could maybe have been a bit quicker.
A little bit quicker, okay, good. Did you have it turned up fully?
This was fully turned up, yeah, and I've never really done a fence panel before. I've just done small items, so I'm really happy with the result. Excellent,
okay, well, let's see how the rest of the guys are getting on. John is about, I don't know, maybe 1/6 of the way through on his with his 4-inch roller, a little bit slower. But Jay, on the other hand, he has had the pump action handheld paint sprayer, and it's not the best finish. Okay, so you finished, all right, let's stop your clock. You are about probably nearly 3 minutes. Wow. Nearly 3 minutes it took you to do that. And the overall finish isn't the best. It's a bit blotchy, isn't it? It's a bit blotchy, but you've got a lot of treatment on there, in fairness, yeah. Okay, you can sit down and have a relax after your 3 minutes or so of work. You win some, you lose some, mate. Okay, where's things happen at sea? So each panel stands at 6 feet wide and 5 foot high. Covers probably about 2.5 square meters. The fence treatment they're using is a basic wood treatment used for fences and sheds. Both Liam and John are pretty much equal now, so the brush and the roller is going head to head. However, we are probably about 8.5 minutes into the challenge now, and I would say John's a little bit past the halfway point, and so is Liam as well.
Come on, lads, you're doing well. The race is on here. The race is on. Is the paintbrush or the roller going to win?
So the 4-inch paintbrush and the 4-inch roller is pretty much head to head in time wise. They've actually been about 16.5 minutes now. John's nearly finished. He has mentioned it is looking a little bit patchy, and it probably will dry patchy and need a second or a third coat to get a good solid finish. Liam's finish is a little bit better with the paintbrush, in fairness, but I still do believe because of contact on there, it is going to dry a little bit more patchier than Laura's fence and decking sprayer. Okay, it looks like John has finished. Tools down, and you are nearly 19 minutes all in all, John. 19 minutes. Well done. Go and have a good, well-earned cup of tea. Liam, have you nearly done? Yeah. He is done, and he's just over 20 minutes now. Just over 20 minutes with the brush. Put your brush down and go and have a well-earned cup of tea while we inspect the work. Well guys, I think seeing is believing, and it goes without saying the fencing decking sprayer is the winner by far. It took over just 1 minute to complete a full 6-foot fence panel, with the other ends of the garden over 20 minutes to complete with the brush. Guys, I'm sure many of you at home have had this experience doing your fence panels with a variety of different instruments. If you have, please let us know in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, follow us on all social media handles, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.